I'm so ready for coffee right now. Can't wait. Let's see how Washington coffee is.
This is awesome. Check it
So we are here with Michelle, my friend. We've been working together for more than a decade. I'm not gonna say how many years. As an educator for TIGI and travel the world and do Fashion Week for so many seasons. And now we're here in Seattle. Well, this is actually outside of Seattle, right?
No, this is Seattle proper still.
Okay.
We're west.
Awesome.
The best.
This is Easy Street Cafe or coffee shop. And we're gonna have a conversation with her about how was the hair in the 90s. So she's been in the industry for a little bit. And she's gonna explain to us how was doing hair in the 90s with the grunge era, and especially how she created the looks back in the day. So I'm excited to have her in my episode. Fun. Thank you for being with me. So you started working as a hairdresser in the 80s.
Yes.
Yeah. Amazing. So by the time that it was the 90s, you were already 10 or 15 years of experience. And I'm curious, because I started my career actually in the 90s. But coming from the Caribbean, the hair was completely different. I was only doing barbering and then clipper cuts. So for me, yes, I listen to some of the grunge and some of the bands are my favorite. Still, I listen to that, but I never get inspired by the hair at that time because in my country was completely different. So, but for you, how was the 90s doing hair here in Seattle?
Well, luckily Seattle was on the map, so I was traveling already as an educator. It was pretty exciting to be somebody where you came from a city that was like how New York, if you said, oh, I'm from New York or I'm from LA, at that time Seattle started to be that. And for me it was completely genuine because I have been in the music industry as well, and I had many friends that were in bands at the time, and I was doing their hair through the 80s. The thing that I think that really changed what we were doing as hairdressers was using product, because that was, even though the hair looked undone, it was actually done with, that way with product.
That was my next question.
Yeah, that's what happened.
So you created that second day feeling to the hair with products.
With products.
Amazing. Yeah, people think that they don't wash their hair for 3 days or 4 days to get that texture. But what are the products or texture that you use? Like dry shampoo or
no dry shampoo. I don't think dry shampoo happened until like 2010. No, we had, it was definitely, they were petroleum-based glazes that came in. Yes, please. That was probably the biggest paradigm shift. It was the dry hair products, because wet to dry we had gels, mousse, but just being able to manipulate the hair textures from dry hair. And we didn't have so much pomades yet, but we were mixing them, learning how to cocktail, like put products together instead of just using one on its own. And just letting it build up, the concept of not washing your hair every day was like unheard of before that. But so we were using second day hair, but then we were making it have a texture as well.
How often they were coming back to the salon to get a haircut? Like every 6 months?
Yeah.
And I'm talking about the guys.
Yeah, well, yeah, because the men, it was different, because in the 80s we were definitely doing like the spiked, on my men, spiked hairstyles. We were even coloring, I was foiling hair, Rod Stewart-ish. But I still had men's interest in fashion, and that's something where when people say, oh, that just happened, it's in the music culture, it's always existed, like having a look. So it wasn't even necessarily that we were cutting their hair, even if we were just trimming it or doing whatever, was just being in touch with what their overall fashion was and their overall just culture of what they looked like.
Yeah, you know what? There were a few bands that I actually think, because the it was amalgamation even back then of just freedom of what your look was. So there was the long hair, but then there were a couple guys, especially lead singers, and the whole new wave and REM like college band thing was also going on, which was a different look. So we were still doing haircuts too, shaving heads, doing, there's just people that were more progressive and experimental. I listened to
more in the punk,
like in the punk, exactly. Yeah. So there was purposeful hair as well.
Yeah. What's your favorite band from those days?
Oh, from those days. Oh man, luckily I like a lot of different music, but from grunge, I'll say Soundgarden.
Soundgarden.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I remember a picture of him when he was young, long hair.
Chris Cornell was a physically beautiful human. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so thank you, Michelle, for your little time and inspire us with some amazing information about the 90s and how you can create the looks and the products that you were using. I don't know. It's very special to be here in this place and share with the audience. Amazing information. So thank you so much.
Cosmology, with it, craziness and aspects of the neuron